Ooh, it's hot in here. Where am I anyways, Laura? I'm in a sauna, and this is a dry heat sauna, isn't it?
It is a dry, far infrared sauna.
Therasana. And you've had this for...
I've had it since 2010.
Uh-huh. And you get in here, you told me you get in here like almost every night, don't you?
Once a day, yeah, once a day for about an hour.
For an hour? And I had it set at an hour, and this is pretty cool, by the way. And I got at 116. I'm going to turn it up to 117. And that's about what you usually have it on in the summer, right?
Right.
117, but in the winter you have it up as high as
137.
137. Mm-hmm. And you have it. You have this set for about an hour each time. And how many calories did you say that burns off?
It burns about 600 calories.
So every day you're burning off 600 calories. So this, in fact, would be a good way to lose a few pounds too.
To lose a few pounds.
Yep.
Yes. Get healthy.
And you gave me some water. Is this how much water you drink in an hour? Just a quart?
I usually drink about twice that.
Mm. Because you have to keep
Hydrated.
Drinking to hydrate. And it's okay to drink cold water, you told me. Like this is like ice cold, and it's so good back in here. So you have this is just in your one of your rooms, one of your bedrooms, and it looks like it's maybe 6 by 6 at an angle with the door here. And you bought this over the internet, and they just brought it out on a pallet, so to speak, and then you had somebody help you put it together because it was all in panels, right?
I actually called the number. I actually searched online and found the people.
Uh-huh.
I found Therasana. I think it's in Ohio. And this is an all-American made product. There's no glues. There's no, there's no outgassing of anything in this unit or in their product. And it's all American made, like I said. And they have the heaters, the infrared heaters, so it's a whole different kind of heat.
Right. And you were trying to explain to me that the heat actually goes down into your skin like what, an inch or something?
About 1.5 inches, so you're actually sweating from possibly your lymph system all the way out. You're actually cleaning it out from deep down.
Uh-huh.
And if you sweat like this, you're giving your liver, your kidneys, your colon, your lungs a chance to do their other job, which is, keep you alive and healthy and rejuvenate you. Mm-hmm. Because your skin is your largest organ, and you need to use it, and use it often.
Okay. And I guess this dry heat's gonna make your skin soft too, won't it?
It makes you feel great. It makes your skin soft. It just makes you feel better, more energized. It can also, if you do it at night, it can help you go to sleep. It relaxes you. Mm-hmm. It's just a great tool.
Now I have the sound. You have different sounds on here, and I have the ocean, but you have all different kinds: the jungle,
right,
the seashore, maybe something with birds, maybe.
Mm-hmm. The forest.
So that's kind of cool. And I noticed this doesn't have a radio, but it came with a radio, didn't it? And
yes.
You just didn't install it, so you could put a radio in here.
Right.
That's kind of cool.
You can also get one that has a little screen for TV.
Oh. So
but that was extra. That was $400 back in 2010. I'm not sure what it would be.
Yeah. So, I mean, this could really seat, I don't know, four tightly, but it could, right?
Or one nicely, like it does
one or two. You can sprawl out here, lean up here. And I noticed this here, this is not hot at all whatsoever.
No.
It's just where the dry heat is. I guess I wouldn't want to touch those, and there's one down here. There's a couple more back here. And this sweat is actually feeling pretty good. And it was pretty hot in your room because we didn't have your air conditioner on. Now that I open this door, it feels like it's, I don't know, 70 degrees out there, or low 60, mid 60s maybe. And what about power for this?
It pulls a 120.
120 volts, and it's probably, I'm going to guess it's on a 20 amp breaker.
I think so.
So wherever you put it in the house, if you were to put it in the house, somebody's got to run a power line
120.
from your sub panel over to wherever it is, and then it's on the cord. It's got a little reset button on it. You just plug it into the wall.
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
And this is also low kilowatt usage.
Uh-huh.
It
How
costs
much?
nothing to use it, basically.
So it doesn't really cost too much electricity-wise if
No.
you use it, let's say 15, 20 times a month, let's say, for an hour. It doesn't really affect your, well, it's going to affect your
No. Well,
electricity bill a little bit,
Just a,
but it's
a
not going
smidge.
to be major.
Just a smidge.
Yeah. So the part I liked on here was you said everything was natural. There was no stains on it,
There's
no
staining,
lacquers on it,
no lacquers,
no
paints,
nothing.
Blues. That are
And
gonna,
2010, this is like 5 years old. It looks almost brand new. Pretty good.
Thank you.
See, I wasn't kidding how big it was.
Oh,
It's not very big. And right up against the wall, see, here's the bedroom wall. They left a little bit of an area right in between here, and they ran the cord there, and they plugged it right in. That's where that new circuit is. That way you can kind of walk through here. And see, it's in a bedroom that's maybe 11 by 10, let's say. And there's still enough room in here. Yeah, there's a little bit of a mess because we're getting ready to clean it out so we can do some work on these floors. So everything's kind of in a jumble right now. But this is really, I think, a pretty good idea for somebody if you're looking to be healthy and to even lose a few pounds, have some friends over, have a good time in the sauna.